Hi everyone, Poncho Man here from the ZAP team, and I am so excited to film this video and start showing you some of the things that we've been working on behind the scenes. For some time now, we've been working on improving the development of community airports for Tower Simulator 3, and I'm sure you've watched our 2D series on how to create a community airport. Now with this video, we're going to launch how to create an airport in 3D using the new toolkit that we've got for you guys. So I've got an airport here open in Unity, and many of you guys may recognize this as Louisville KSDF. Now, this poor airport has been our testbed airport for the last several months, never making it to release. I do apologize about that. But it's because we keep using it to test and add more features and more features and more features. We'll release it soon, I promise. But there's something cool I want to show you. What's important here is what you're looking at right now. Everything here has been generated procedurally. It's been generated by script, not by hand. We've used scripts to generate just about everything. The ground model mesh, the taxiway center lines, the hold short bars, the animated wigwags, the animated lightings, the gate paints, the signs. We've used scripts to place trees, to place buildings. We made the splat map using scripts. Even more advanced things like taxiway signs, grunge, rubber, oil stains, everything here you see is actually generated by script with very minimal need for manual adjustments and tinkering. The best part, everything's done in-house with our ZAP scripts. We've cut out almost every paid script and resource we could. None of what you see here was made in Blender. We are trying to cut out the need to pay for multiple plugins, multiple Unity scripts, multiple paid things. Even the buildings you see here, they're not made in Blender. I actually hid the custom ones we have. And the ones you see here are made entirely in Unity with just a few clicks. That's got your emissives in there, custom roof textures, everything, all done in Unity. And we're making these scripts available to you. They're going to be released in waves as we continue to iron out, polish our scripts, get your feedback. But our goal is to take making an airport like this, something that used to take months, to something that takes hours to days. Our goal is to make making an airport something you do on a weekend, not something that takes months to develop. Now, scripted airports will never match a hand-drawn airport, not have the detail that a custom modeler would, get paid thousands of dollars to make. But we hope that with this toolkit, this will make 3D airport production much easier and much simpler and allow the community to put out high quality 3D airports for everyone to share and enjoy. All of our scripts will be free to use for anyone making a free community airport. They'll be available on the ZAP server for you to download and use. If you're looking to make a paid airport, please reach out to us. Okay, so here's how to get started. Start with Enhanced Airfield Editor and the OSM Airport File Builder tool because you're going to need that for just about every script as they all rely on the ICAO and the coordinate data that's in Enhanced Airfield Editor. And here's your reminder that a high quality airport file is a must. Everything comes down to the airport file in terms of the playability of your airport, so make sure you focus on that as well. And when you're building your airport file, use the decorative roads as we'll be able to actually use that as part of the ground paint script. Next, I'll show you this script called Python Prepper. It's going to help ensure that you have Python installed, ready to go, and it's going to acquire all the dependencies we need for the scripts to work. And so in this video, I'll show you how to use the Python Prepper script. Then after that, as you can see, there's many different ways you can branch out with the scripts and work on different aspects of your airports at different times. I generally recommend getting the terrain in and the ground model in, but then you have many different ways that you can go in terms of which scripts you want to do next. And we're going to release our scripts in no particular order. So as our tools become ready and our scripts become ready, we'll release them out to you with the accompanying video. Some tools you might see much later on, but the major basic tools will be available to you in the next upcoming days to weeks. Okay, so here we are back in our Airport Editor HD folder. You're going to install all your scripts in this ZAP folder here. So it'll be an asset ZAP, and you'll see many of your scripts here as you continue to add them. The first script we're going to use just sets the stage for all the other scripts and make sure all the other scripts have the dependencies that they need. So to get started, you have to have Python installed. So to install Python, you can install it from python.org. Just go ahead and install it. Very, very important. When you install Python, there will be a checkbox that says Add Python to Path. You have to make sure that's checked. If you don't do that, none of the scripts will be able to find where your Python is. So make sure you do that. Then you'll go to this Python prepper script here, and you'll just double click it, and it's going to open this window here. And what it's going to do is it's going to just check that it finds the Python, what version it is, where it is, so it knows that the Python has been found. It's going to check that the dependencies that we need, the add-ons to the Python that we need for our scripts to work are installed or not installed. In my case, I already have them installed, but anything that's not installed, this script is going to automatically find and install everything that you need, so that when you start working on your airport and these dependencies are needed, they're already ready to go. So once you know that this script says all dependencies are ready, we know we're good to go. And just like that, you're ready to go. We'll see you in the next few videos as we show you how to use all the tools, and we can't wait to see what you create. Happy airport making. We'll get started with making a 3D airport.